Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Edmarie. So in this video, as I promised, I will share on how to make an expedite request. Alright, so first, you have to call the USCIS. So in my case, last May 31 of 2022, we called the USCIS to make an expedite request on my form I-765, which is the employment authorization document. And then, by the way, you have to ready your receipt number if you're going to call the USCIS for an expedite request, okay? And then the reason for my expedite request is financial loss. And after that, that was May 31 of 2022. In 7 days after, which is June 7 of 2022, the USCIS sent us an email and they were asking for an additional information with regards to our expedite request. So we sent out bank statements, hospital expenses, and yeah, some documents that states our financial loss. So we faxed it to them last June 8th of 2022, and after that we also call them for an update if they receive our documents that we sent to them, and then they said yes. And so aside from calling the USCIS for an expedite request, we also contacted our local Congress representative here in Thurston County, and as well as the senator's office in the state of Washington. So we contacted them and sent them a letter that that we need help to expedite our request for my EAD, or employment authorization document. And they said that they don't make the request, but they do help to update your case. So that's what we did, and we're very thankful for that. And aside from this, after you make your expedite request, you also have to make sure that you call the USCIS to follow up your case. All right, that's actually very important. So if you guys are going to make an expedite request, the USCIS considers all expedite requests on a case-by-case basis, and it may require additional documentation to support a request, and has the sole discretion to decide whether to accommodate a request. So these are the circumstances that the USCIS consider to ascertain or to expedite a request. So first, severe financial loss to a company or person. Second is the emergencies and urgent humanitarian reasons. Third is a non-profit organization whose request is in furtherance of the cultural or social interests of the United States. Fourth is the U.S. government interests. And then the last one is clear USCIS error. I will link this website below, guys, so you can look at it and read whether which circumstances your expedite request falls into. All right, call the USCIS to expedite your request. And also there's a lot of resources that you can do, like what we did. We called our local our local Congress representative, and we also did call the senator's office in the state where we are right now, so they could also update on our case. So that's actually a big deal, to help your case be approved. So I will keep you posted, guys, on my journey, on my adjust status journey. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment it down below and I will try to answer your question. And please do like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted on my adjust status journey, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.